right, in this video, we're just going to work a few problems together. Get your pencil and your notebook out and your calculator and your formula sheet. We need to work a few problems together to continue our previous video on unit conversions. Now, first thing I want you to do is get your formula sheet out, and we're going to add to the formula sheet under the mile, 1, 2, 3, under length, something from your packet. So you should have a packet on perimeter that we're working from, for those of you who are following along with my class. So this perimeter, it starts with page 64, and I want you to write under mile. We are going to add something to your formula sheet. You don't have to memorize it. It's just something we're going to use in this packet. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. I need you to add that one. And then I also want you to add one with your metric units, and that is 1 centimeter. I'm just going to abbreviate cm equals 10 millimeters mm. Please use the right abbreviations. Now, looking at page 64 of your packet, we're going to just do a couple together. I don't want you just to watch this. Please just follow with me. Now, we're going to do an example. Another example, did one on the video that you've seen on YouTube, but write this problem down. 7 feet equals blank inches. That's my problem. So I want you to follow your steps. Now, if this is our problem, we see that we are converting feet to inches, so we need to write, we're just following our steps that hopefully you wrote down. We're going to write line equals line. Then we want to fill out this first ratio here, and we're going to use this problem, 7 feet x inches, that makes our ratio. Now, don't forget to write your units. Transfer your units directly across, following your steps that should be on your note card. Then now you get your handy dandy calculator formula sheet out, and you go over here and you find feet to inches, and it just happens to be the first one, feet to inches. Does not matter the order, because you've got what you need where here. So we have 1 foot over 12 inches. So we just fill it in to match. Then we draw our arrow, and we circle, and we do our math, and we get our answer. So that would be 84 inches, right? And that's your answer. And that's it. Okay, we're going to do one more together now. Get your paper out. We're looking at number 1 on your packet, page 64. Number 1. So you're doing 8 feet equals blank inches. Cross off their work. You know, we don't ever pay attention to their work, and they don't work it the way we do. So 8 feet equals blank inches. We're making a conversion. Line equals line. Write it on your paper. Make this your first ratio, 8 feet over blank inches, which is x inches on your paper. Transfer labels across. Follow the same steps every time. Go find feet to inches. If you were let's just say you were doing miles to feet. Well, then you would go find miles to feet, but we're still doing feet to inches, and that's 1 to 12. And you can do your math. Get your handy dandy calculator out. X equals 8 times 12 is 96. Divided by 1 is still 96, so you have 96. Oops, we got to have our units here. All right, so that we can make sure we're doing it right. Now, you're going to continue, and you're going to continue all of page 64, and you're skipping page 65 for right now, and you're going to do all of page 66. Those are your directions. All right, when you finish page 64 and 66, come back and watch your next video. I have a reason for that, okay? You're doing good.